Hello, my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we are in Atalaia in Lagos, just minutes away from the most exclusive beach in town, Porto de Mos. The villa is situated on the top of the hill on a private street with a few other exclusive villa owners and enjoys an absolute serenity, privacy and a breathtaking view of the sea and city. Without further ado, let's take a look at this mansion. .85 square, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, built in 2021 on a plot of 2,607 meters square. This villa is spread over 2 levels and is absolute statement and a work of art in construction with a simple and yet functional design. As you enter the grand entrance, a stunning staircase is leading to all the levels, with the 3 en-suites being on the top of the floor, with access to the huge terrace with a breathtaking view of sea and the city. As you walk in the main level, the open space of living and dining, featuring a very charming fireplace. And as you further lead your way, there is a fully equipped kitchen with the top-of-the-line appliances. And this kitchen also an area transforms into the open outdoor space with all the same features, with the underfloor heating creating a cozy atmosphere. This villa features a 2-bedroom apartment with its own kitchen and living area. In the level downstairs there is a movie theater, gym, office, kitchenette, and the potential to put a wine room. For the car lovers, this is a perfect space with a huge car garage and its own designated area for the car wash. And the driveway leads into the space that can fit up to 20 cars for any grand event at this mansion. And some of the other features of this villa are the citrus garden, the double glazed window, underfloor heating, surround sound system, photovoltaic, 14 solar panels, and the most important is the energy efficiency rating A. This is an incredibly smart villa with a very minimal maintenance, low cost, near to the beach, and a very serene location. If this is something that is on your list, we invite you to visit this villa. Please give us a shout on the phone and we will give you a private tour. Please like and subscribe and see you soon. Bye.